Hello, everyone. This is Keith George. I am the Educational Technology Specialist for AMSTI, the Alabama Math, Science, and Technology Initiative. And a lot of our teachers use Participate to organize resources. And over the last couple of weeks or a month or so, Participate has updated their website, and there are a few changes when you're working with collections. So I wanted to do a quick screencast to cover those changes. So as you can see, I'm just at the Participate homepage at www.participate.com, and I'll log in. And once I've logged in, it's going to automatically take me to my dashboard. And your dashboard may look different. You may have different selections up here. But what we're looking for right now is the Collections tab, which everybody will have. And when you go into Collections, you'll see all of the collections that you currently have. Now, you can always go into a collection that you've already created, and you can add additional resources to it. You can edit different aspects. So if you go into one of your resources, you can remove it. If you need to, you can reorder things, adjust your privacy, adjust tabs. You can come up here to edit and edit the details and everything like that. But what we're going to focus on right now is adding a new collection. So I'm going to return to the collections page, and there's always a new collection button over here to the side. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to give my collection title. So let's say AmSty Interactives. And then I can give it a description too. Links to resources to engage students. And of course, this is just a test, so you can give that any title and any description you like. Now, once you click Next, it's going to ask you to choose your privacy settings. Now, for right now, I'm going to select Private on this because this isn't going to be a complete collection for a little bit, so I can select Private. But once you're ready to be able to share it or allow anyone else to see it, you will need to come back in and mark it as public. So again, I'm going to mark it private for right now and click Save. And the collection is created, so I want to view it. But as you can see, as they say, it's a little bit lonely in here. There's nothing in here right now. So I pulled up one of my favorite resources, which is the Trading Card Creator from Read, Write, and Think. It lets you create little trading cards or baseball card-like resources that you get to enter there, or that the students get to enter the information. So you can do a trading card collection of, famous mathematicians, famous scientists, famous computer scientists, whatever you want it. But it's a great little activity for kids to do, kind of little mini biographies. But to get this into my collection, all I have to do is go up here to the URL, click to select it, right click and copy, return to my collection. I'm going to add a new resource. I'm going to tell it that it's a link rather than something I created that I'm going to upload. Paste the link into the line. Click Next. It's going to actually find all of this information that it has basically pulled from the website and enter that information for title and description. If it has a built-in image, it will add it there. But if not, you can actually click and add your own image. But I'm going to click Save. And now you can see that the Trading Card Creator is in there. It knew that it was a website. It has the description from there. And I can edit the resource, remove it, or even add it to a different collection. Now, if it was something that I was going to add, let's say add a new resource, upload, and this area in the middle, I can just click if I don't know where it is. And I'm going to pull, let's see. I think I have the new final copy of the Digital Literacy Computer Science course study. And once I add that, now it wasn't able to pull much of the description from here. And in fact, for the title, it actually puts the file name. So I might edit this a little bit to make it look a little bit better. And add in some information. Whatever I wanted to say. And again, I could add an image here, but I'm just going to do save and let you see what an uploaded resource looks like. So if it's a file that you've uploaded, it'll say file. It still has the description. Everything else looks the same. The icon's a little different. If it's a website, it'll have a website. If you pull in a YouTube video or Vimeo video, it will have video there. So it pulls it in pretty easily. Now, again, this collection is set to private. If I wanted to let anybody else see this, I would definitely need to change the privacy setting. I can also add tags. Tags can be as simple as math, science, technology, whatever I wanted to add, and can save those. And you'll see that once you've added those will appear for people. You can also add collaborators. So if you want to work with a teacher or with a partner, you just manage collaborators and you can search for them by name. They do have to have a Participate account. And you can add a custom message to that. Now, there is a discussion, but notice that this is the discussion that only you and other collaborators can see. So this may be if you're working with another collaborator and you want to, I love that last resource that you added. Can we find another one on the same topic or something like that as you go back and forth? You notice you're automatically subscribed to any collections that you create. And up here you can click Share Collection. But notice that actually I can't right now because my privacy is set to private. I can't share a private collection. So if I edit my privacy to hidden, come back, and now I can share a collection. I can copy the link. I can get the embed code. I can share it through any of these social media sites. So that's the quick and easy overview of how to create a collection on Participate after their recent website update. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, this is Keith George with AmSty. I hope you've enjoyed this instructional video.